In this video, we will see how to activate RouteCAD on our computer. We have already installed RouteCAD on this machine and we are running the software for the very first time. We also have obtained and purchased a license, so we have a valid user number and ID, so we are ready to activate RouteCAD on this computer. There are two methods of activating RouteCAD. We can activate via the server, which is the recommended method and the easiest method, or we can activate via a web browser. The first method via the server requires that the computer that we are activating RouteCAD on to have an internet connection, and all we need to click is yes to do that. The second method requires a computer that has a web browser. So if we, let's say for example, we install RouteCAD on a machine that do not have an internet connection, we can go on a second machine and connect to the internet with the second machine, obtain the license, and go back to RouteCAD and activate the license this way. But in this particular situation, this computer has an internet connection, and we will choose the first method. So we're going to click on yes. Then we already have a user ID. All we have to do now is to click on Authenticate RouteCAD. Now the last screen is, are we sure we want to activate RouteCAD on this computer? If we don't, we click on No, and we're going to activate RouteCAD on the computer that we want. If we do want to activate RouteCAD on this computer, we're going to click on Yes. Now all we need to do now is enter the information that was provided to us when we purchased the license. We're going to enter our user ID that we got. We're going to enter the first name that we put when we made the purchase and the last name. Then we're going to click on Continue. And we got a message not to close the program and to wait until the activation process is completed. We've got to make sure that before we do that, this computer is connected to the internet. So we're going to click on OK. Now the communication is successful, which means that we were able to successfully communicate with the server. So everything is looking good so far. So we're going to click on OK. And RouteCAD has been authenticated, which means that the RouteCAD is active. The license is actually active, and if we exit RouteCAD and then we run RouteCAD again, it will no longer ask us for a license because right now the license is running and is valid on this machine.